back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to post on CapCut. So if you also want to post on CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So posting on CapCut is very simple. All you have to do is export the project that you've just created. After you export the project, it will automatically be posted on CapCut. In order to export it, all you have to do is click on the export option that you can see right over here. You can also enter the name if you want. Now select the destination. Simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. Now select any destination of your choice. Click on the option select folder. Now here you can also adjust other settings. Now click on the export option that you can see right over here. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. The project has been exported now. You can also post a video or photo in TikTok or YouTube. You can also share it to other platforms if you want. Simply click on the share option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to share it. Now, if you exit this project, you can see right over here the video will be posted on CapCut. So that is how you post videos on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.